Hey, what's going on? We got some Fratelli's pizza straight out of the oven. Me and my son was down here on a business meeting and he wanted some pizza. I said, sure, son. You know, we were thinking the same thing, because I told him that I wanted him to try Fratelli's. He's a Little Caesars guy. He loves Little Caesars. I said, you know what? I want you to try Fratelli's because it's really good pizza, right? So all he did was try the cheese. He's like, oh man, that's good, some good cheese. So now we're about to finish. He's about to try the real pizza, and I'll tell you what he thinks, but it's already a cinch for me. Love the pizza. The slices are very affordable. The medium pizza, I think it's like $12. It's worth it, y'all. Very, very much worth it. If you want to impress your date, or just have some smashing pizza. Love it, man. Peace out.